The Simplex Large is suitable for the packaging of all types of products in pre-made heat-sealable bags. A robust machine with few parts, with practically no maintenance, and is completely servo-motorized. The system uses a large touchscreen with clear functions that are easy to use for the operator. This Premade Simplex Large fills up to 5 kilogram bags at 50 per minute. Pouch styles for the Large include Doypack, Standup pouch, and flat bottom bags. Built with stainless steel, easy to clean, self-supporting, and accessible from any point. Thanks to its compact design and central product loading point, it can replace any vertical packaging machine. Automatic format changes, thanks to the magnetic transport of the clamps that hold the bags.